आज मैं आई हूँ होम टाउन में। होम टाउन का एक सेक्शन है जो हमने कभी नोटिस नहीं किया है। एक्चुअली एटलीस्ट मैंने तो कभी नोटिस नहीं किया, मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि इनके पास ऐसा एक सेक्शन भी है। एंड आई एम टू सैड कि मुझे बहुत लेट पता चला, बिकॉज मेरा जब घर बन रहा था और मुझे पता होता था कि इनके पास ऐसा मॉडल किचन का भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है, तो श्योरली आई वुड हैव अप्रोच देम एटलीस्ट फॉर माई किचन का पूरा सेटअप करने के लिए। आई वुड हैव श्योरली अप्रोच देम। सो समथिंग आई मिस्ड जो मेरे घर बनाते वक्त नहीं मिला, तो आई थॉट कि चलो एटलीस्ट मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स लोग के साथ शेयर करती हूँ। मुझे बहुत सारे लोग कमेंट करते रहते हैं कि हम लोग नया घर बना रहे हैं, हम कैसा किचन बनाए, क्या करें। सो आई थिंक आपके सारे सवालों का जवाब है होम टाउन। सो मैं आज आप लोग के पास आई हूँ होम टाउन का टूर लेकर। वो लोग मॉडलर किचन्स का भी इंटीरियर करते हैं। सो हम सबको एक अजम्पशन है कि होम टाउन डील्स ओनली विथ लाइक फर्नीचर एंड किचन प्रोडक्ट्स, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट। उनका खुद का इंटीरियर का सेक्शन भी है अलग सा, जो मॉडलर किचन्स का भी ये करके देता है। इट्स फ्रॉम लॉन्ग बैक, दे आर डूइंग दिस फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, बट मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था इस चीज़ के बारे में कि नहीं, इनका ये सेक्शन ऑलरेडी बहुत सालों से चल रहा है कर। सो मैं आप लोग सबसे सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप लोग अगर एक घर बना रहे हो, कि आप लोग ज़रूर एक बार जाके विजिट करें अपना नियरेस्ट कोई भी होम टाउन के सेंटर में जा सकते हो। वहाँ पे सभी पे ये एक सेक्शन अवेलेबल है, और वहाँ पे डेजिग्नेटेड डिज़ाइनर्स भी रहते हैं। तो आप लोग को जो भी क्वेरीज है, एस्टिमेशन निकालना है, कुछ भी करना है, आप डायरेक्टली वहाँ पर जाके कर सकते हो। इन केस आप वहाँ पे नहीं जा सकते, तो वहाँ के स्टोर पर कॉल करके यू कैन अरेंज फॉर अ विजिट। वो लोग आपके घर पर आकर भी आपको एक्सप्लेन करके देंगे। ओके, सो इनफ ऑफ टॉकिंग, अभी हम जंप करते वीडियो की तरफ। और इनकी डिज़ाइनर है जो अभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बताएगी एग्जैक्टली क्या मटेरियल्स यूज़ करते हैं एंड क्या इस डायमेंशन में, क्या बजट में आपको ये बन सकता है, वो सब आपको अभी वो एक्सप्लेन करके बता देंगे। चलो लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो।
Hi guys, this is Anusha, an interior designer in Hometown. Welcome to Hometown Munchie Mall. This store is in Hometown Munchie Mall, second floor.
Okay.
So now I'm going to brief you about our modular kitchens, our materials, what we'll be using, and things what we are going to deal. So let's just have a look at the kitchen one by one. I'll be briefing you the details.
Yes, please.
So this is our complete T-shaped concept, like L-shaped kitchen with a seating concept.
This is T-shaped kitchen.
Yes, like kind
Okay.
of T, like L-shaped kitchen
Okay.
with a seating concept.
Okay.
So if there are family persons, if there is a joint family or something, where persons want to sit in the kitchen and have a discussion, so this will be helpful for them.
Okay.
So which is where I'll start from the start.
Okay, yeah.
So this is the island option, where the chimney will be island chimney. Beneath the hob will be giving us 3 divisions for you. The first drawer will be of a tandem box with cutlery tray, which is where it is easy for you to place your cutlery, spoons, knives and all, easy access while cooking. And this will be of a medium sized tandem box, where we'll be placing a small plates or small bowls. So like these 3 sets will be easier for you to cooking, so that you don't have to roam around here and there. So next to that, to save the corner spacing, what will happen when there is a corner, the corner spacing won't be there. To save this corner spacing, we are coming up with the corner concept, where this whole corner will be used. There will be a baskets here, which will be coming up front, and the baskets which are staying behind, that is gonna come here. So in this baskets also, these are stainless steel, and we have other design options also, and we can remove the baskets. So like most of the clients will have a doubt on this part, like how to clean this internal part.
Yeah.
So we can remove this baskets,
Oh, okay.
and we can use this whole space to clean it.
Yeah, good.
So which is why you don't have to waste this space. And we have other corner options also rather than this. And next to this, we have come up with 2 variants. This will be a wire basket with
Oh,
a plain
good.
dividers. Other than this, we can go with a plain tandem box options, something like this.
This is something new. I have not seen this. अभी आजकल मैं देखती हूँ it comes like normal this thing. Will this rust? ये rust होता है क्या?
No, it won't rust.
It won't rust ना? And in case कुछ भी rusting या कुछ भी problem हो तो you guys might be having a
Yes, there will
warranty,
be a
isn't
warranty
it?
on that.
Okay. So how much year का warranty you have on this
So
thing?
that again varies as per the product to product. If it is
Okay.
vintage, that has a different warranty timeline. If there is other brand, again there is a different timeline warranty. So
Okay.
that like when you are buying a product, each and every product will have a different timeline. So
Okay.
when you are buying a product, a designer, the person who will be taking care of those products, they'll be explaining you in detail.
Okay. So minimum what is the warranty
So
period?
Heritage is having 10 years warranty. Again
Okay.
on that they have a terms.
Okay.
So warranty, like below warranty, there are terms and conditions.
Yeah,
They're
every
explaining
warranty
detail.
comes
Yes,
with a
more,
terms
yes.
and condition. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
So this is a tandem box, plain tandem box with a divider option. So this divider will help you to like to divide the units.
Oh,
Or you
okay.
can place up boxes here. So you can make as a 2 divide boxes so that whenever you're pulling and pushing it out, the boxes
It's
will not
easier,
hit,
okay.
hit one another. And you can go with the pan placements also, something like this.
Okay.
And you can place a pan next to this, so when you're taking it, there won't be any issue.
Okay.
So dividers will help you not to, like, there won't be any if you're placing a glass bottles and all.
Yeah.
So they won't hit each other when you're pulling and pushing.
Okay, so that will be available with that ki it is an
So
accessory
it's an
kind.
accessory, it's an additional accessory. So
Okay.
you'll have to ask. If you have a requirement, you'll have to ask that.
Okay. Or else if we go for interior designer and we ask for tandem box, only the
Yes,
box
the
will come.
plain tandem box will
Okay.
be there. And whatever you're seeing, this is also an additional
Accessory, okay.
So if you need that you'll have to
Additional
choose, like,
cost.
as per your cooking style, because each and
Okay.
every person will have a different cooking style.
Yes, correct.
So as per that, we'll suggest, as a designer we'll suggest, because whether it is required for your kitchen or not.
Okay.
End of the day, we'll have to see the space saving also.
Okay. Yeah.
Again, beneath the sink, we have a space saving option where you can place all your detergents here.
This is very good. Actually, I was looking for something like that, and everything I was finding was like something from people who are international. No one like Indian I found who would do this.
Yes, previously what we used to do, like, we used to dump all the waste at once. Now we
Yes.
have coming up with a concept called wet and dry.
Yeah.
So where you can divide, or like now we have a 3 divisions. One is plastic, other one is wet and dry.
Yes.
So again we have a divisions. As for that, this will be helpful where you can go with wet and dry and the plastic and the waste. So we have different options for this.
Yeah, this is very good actually.
So beneath the sink, mostly we people doesn't like to store any utensils. So
Yes.
this will be helpful for us to place our detergents, and this will be of our waste.
Yes.
So where the space is getting saved.
Yes, yes. Or else, always this space is always waste beneath the sink that comes
because
in.
Indians doesn't like to place anything.
Any
beneath
vessels,
the
yes,
sink,
true.
right? So this is one of the advantage in that.
Yeah.
So above sink, we have other option, plate drainer option. So
Okay.
where once your washing is done, you can place all your utensils here. All water droplets will be collected here. So you can remove this and you can throw the water. So this is removable. So this will come with 2 sizes. As per your kitchen size, this can be.
Okay, so this is like you can as per sizes you can just
This will have
make.
standard size of 2 feet and 3 feet. As per that, we'll have to design the cabinet.
So if 3.5, okay, you'll design the cabinet as per that
As
size
per-
only.
Like if the
Okay.
fitting is required, as per the fitting, we'll be designing this.
Okay.
So this is again a one type of lift up. So we have a 3 variant in lift ups also. I'll
Okay.
show you in the next
Yeah.
section. So this one variety in that. So again we have a lift up options where like it will be easy for you to access, take the things.
Yes. ठीक है. And ये material, इसका material, what material
Yes.
is used
This
in
top,
this?
whatever you're seeing, this is a Korean top, acrylic solid surface.
Okay.
So this we have put it here for a design purpose. Normally we don't suggest this in the kitchens because this absorbs stains and the heat resistant level is bit less in there.
Okay.
Until unless if you have a dry kitchen, then we suggest this. If
Okay.
you have a wet kitchen, we don't suggest this.
Okay.
Like we have alternative option for this. We'll suggest a quartz, and we have granite, and we have other stones also, which we suggest in the kitchen.
Okay.
But this is for design element, and we suggest in other areas where there is a wet kitchen. Like now people are coming with the concept called wet and dry
Dry and
kitchen.
wet, yeah.
So on dry kitchens we suggest these kind of material.
Okay.
So on the cabinet, whatever you're seeing, this is an acrylic finish.
Okay.
Again, the cabinet complete this thing you can choose as per your requirement. The acrylic finish or laminate, we have a number of finishes in there.
Okay.
So right now what you're seeing is the acrylic finish.
Okay.
And the inside car case, the box, whatever you're seeing inside, so
Those are-
that will be of 3 variants. One
Okay.
will be MDF car case,
Okay.
other one will be ply, BWR ply, and we have HDF. On MDF and ply, we'll be giving 5 years warranty, and on
Okay.
HDF, we'll be giving 10 years warranty.
Okay.
So all these 3 materials are imported one.
Okay.
And this is our in-house form.
Okay. And what would be the estimate average price? ये इतना size का kitchen अगर बनाना हो, what would
So
be
like
the?
for this size, it is almost like 20 by 7 feet.
Okay, 20 feet
For
by
this-
7 feet.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, as per the square feet, there won't be exact costing. Even the kitchen design, like the outlook is same. As per the internal hardware, the tandem box, instead of tandem box, if you're going with wire basket, or if you're adding on the hardware, the cost will go high. If you're reducing the hardware, the cost will come down.
Okay.
Again, it varies. This may come around after discount. This may come from 5 to 8. You can play with it. Even though the size is same, you can play with it as per your requirement.
Okay.
The outlook is also same. Again, the material adding up and the finisher also matters. Whatever the finisher you are choosing. If the kitchen size is same, as you can see the same size, if you're going with laminate finish, again 30% variation will be there. If you're going with acrylic, the 30% variation
What would be the cost for basic अगर किसी को एक modular kitchen बनाना है a small size?
It varies as per the size. I can tell you the cost immediately, but what will happen initially when I say the cost, customer will fix up with the same costing.
Okay.
Like you can, our kitchen starts from 1 lakh.
Okay, so modular kitchen starts from 1 lakh.
Our kitchen starts
Okay.
from 1 lakh.
Okay.
So from there again, as per your requirement, we'll be suggesting you the units.
Okay.
Because most right now, especially in Bangalore, we are seeing the kitchen size is very less.
Yes.
Even though the house is completely big, the
Yeah,
kitchen
kitchen
size
size
is
are small, yeah.
So we need to plan a space management. Like we need to plan each and every corner to be utilized 100%.
Okay.
So for that, we will be suggesting the hardware, whatever we have. Like we will ask for the cooking style. As per the cooking style, we'll be suggesting which one suits for their kitchen. So
Okay.
that they'll have to use the size space efficient.
Okay.
The costing again that varies as per the design. As I said, even though square feet is same for this cabinet, again as per the material consumption, the cost variant will be there.
Okay.
So that will work it out. When the customer walks in, as per their budget, we'll be giving you a best spacing design so that they don't
Okay.
have to compromise with the quality and they don't have to compromise with the design.
Okay. That's okay. At least 1 lakh से भी चालू रहे because people have a mentality, no, if a modular kitchen will cost 3 to 4 lakh rupees. That is an assumption which people have.
That's what, like the modular kitchen, what will happen initially when, like in display, as an example, if you ask me, in display kitchens will have a costlier compared to halls, because what will happen, all the products I'll have to show it in one kitchen.
Yeah.
When customer walks in, he will ask me what is the cost of this kitchen. As an example, if I say 5 lakh, okay, he calculate even my kitchen size is same. My kitchen may cost around 5 lakh.
Yes.
Because you don't need all these hardwares, whatever we have displayed here.
Yes,
Here
true.
we need to display each and every hardware, whatever we have.
Yes.
Because that touch and feel should be there for the customer.
Yes,
For
true,
the house,
true.
that is not required. So they don't have to spend so much for the kitchen, even though size is same.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good this. This one looks very good. If you have a bigger kitchen, this island would be super,
you
isn't
can go
it?
with the island concept, where you have a standalone unit. So
Okay.
this is the island concept basically.
This is quadra.
This is also, again a acrylic solid surface, the same
Okay.
finish of whatever I have showed in the other kitchen.
Okay.
So we'll get different shades in this.
Okay. Okay. So
So
in this
advantage of
also.
this material is that how much ever pieces you add on, there won't be any joints visible.
Oh.
So that is the advantage of this material. So as you can see, there's no joint at all.
And the edges are also very good.
Yes, there
So
won't be
it's
any
a
joints in
curve.
this.
No, this. Okay. And in this also like stain marks will come.
Yes, in this also stain absorption. This we don't suggest in the kitchen because we use turmeric and all in the kitchen.
Yes.
Oil
Our
and-
Indian
yes,
cooking that is a
not
problem.
suggestible, yes.
Looks wise it is very good.
Yeah, look wise, but we get a same texture in the quartz also, where we can go with the alternative option.
Okay. So in quartz if you put the same thing in that, even if the turmeric or something falls, it's
No
okay. No problem, isn't
That
it?
is specifically made for kitchens, so
Okay.
you won't have a stain issue and all.
Okay. ठीक है.
So
Yeah.
whatever this kitchen finish you are seeing, this is a foil finish, membrane finish.
Okay.
As you can see. So here what is happening for the shutter, this complete through and through will be there. So there won't be any breakage, this will be a complete single sheet. So this can be done on MDF and HDF. If you are doing this on HDF, this will be 10 years warranty. If it is on
Okay.
MDF, 5 years warranty.
What is MDF and HDF like?
It's MDF is a medium density fiber, it's a board,
Okay,
and
okay.
HDF is high density fiber board.
Okay.
And these two will have a water resistant level. It is not like a normal one. This is specifically made for kitchens.
Okay.
So any issues is there, we'll visit, we'll rectify it. So you don't have to worry about the issue. There are few customers, they have a thing in their mind that okay, if you go with MDF, they may face an issue. You don't
Okay.
have to worry with us. So we'll be taking care of everything, because since it is a kitchen and we are giving a warranty on that, so we'll take care of everything. So there won't be any issue, such kind of things.
Okay. Yeah. Show me more varieties of pull-out thing. जो upper cabinets है ना?
So as you have seen a single pull-out there, and there's a double lift up.
Okay, that was a single pull-out. This
Yes,
is a double
lift
pull-out.
up.
Okay.
So advantage of these lift ups is that whenever you're like while cooking, we know we'll be in a hurry.
Yeah.
Like whenever I'm gonna lift it out while taking out, you don't have to worry that the shutter is gonna shut it out.
Okay.
So this will stop at any angle. Wherever once this is unlocked, it will stop at any angle.
Oh,
so you don't
okay.
have to worry that the shutter is gonna close. Whenever, even though if I forcefully close it, so it is not hitting in that way. It is gonna close soft.
Oh.
So you have advantage of this, that you won't get any hit. And there's a height issue also, people like me. So this is, I personally suggest this because my height is very short.
Yeah.
It's easy for me to access.
And actually, even my concern was also like that only. Like, kuch bhi boxes, it should be accessible for me. I am going to work in that
We need to
kitchen.
access and there's a single lift up option. Either we can go with a combination, one single lift up and other one will be a open box,
Okay.
or a single lift up for both. Where like you don't want your complete cabinet to be visible, you want to access
Only
by
one by one.
So
Okay.
that time this kind of lift ups will be suggested.
Okay.
And beneath cabinet lights, we will suggest, but Hometone will not deal with lighting fixtures.
Okay.
But as a designer, we'll be suggesting you options. You can get the fixtures.
Okay.
Installation part, we can take care of it.
Okay. ठीक है. Lightings and everything would be included. Only the interior
Only
furniture
light fixtures,
part.
Hometone will not deal with it. So
Okay.
light fixtures, customer has to get it. Installation part, we can take care of it.
Extra cost will be there for that.
Additional cost as per the fitting.
Okay. ठीक है.
Because we'll have to see the like wiring part and all. So that we suggest to the customer as per their site condition. Whether
Okay.
it is required or not. If it is required, what kind of fixture is required. Because we have other options also in that. We have a corner profile, we'll be having a beneath cabinet, and we'll be
Okay.
having a individual sensor lights also. As per
Okay.
that, we'll be
Yeah.
suggesting
Many
that.
options are there.
Yes, we'll be suggesting that to the customer.
ठीक है.
So there's again a seating option where family people can sit and relax for some time. Again, beneath that also we have a storage options. We can go with a tandem box.
And like how much kg what weight will the standard box
So
hold?
in tandem box also we have, as per the product, we have a different weight bearing capacities. Few of
Okay.
them are having 30 kgs. Few of them are having 45 kgs.
Okay.
Again, it varies as per the customer storage capacity. We will suggest those tandem box.
Yeah, because
bearing capacity.
atta, rice would
Yes,
be
yes.
heavier. This, so many people have that question. Like 25 kg atta, yeah, rice bags, containers. Can they
So
put it on
like
tandem
while,
box?
Doing a design, we specifically ask the customer like what is the purpose of their this thing,
Box. Okay.
finisher. Combination of acrylic and polymer finish.
Okay.
So this is again an imported board, and we have different color options and texture options in this.
Okay.
So other than this, we can go with a smaller tall unit combinations, and we have a wicker basket option. Either it
Okay.
can be a open unit or can be closed. If customers doesn't want to view whatever the things they're going to keep in inside,
Yeah.
so this can be closed. Combination of this, and there is one more concept like the most of them they doesn't want aquaguard to be placed overhead.
Okay.
If they are going with a drainer, play drainer concept,
Yeah.
then they can go with beneath sink aquaguard option. Where the
Okay.
aquaguard will be placed under the sink, and there will be a tap connection here.
Okay.
The inlet water can be collected here.
Okay. Yeah, this is a good option actually.
Yeah, so that they can use this sink
Space, yeah.
beneath the sink. The space will be utilized, and above that again the space will be utilized. And there's one more concept. If you want to
Oh.
hide your mixer, so you can use this fitting. So this will be locked.
Okay.
So after using it, you can unlock this. We have a locker base below. So you can place it.
Okay. See his column.
In the same concept, again 3 tandem boxes. Next to that, again 2 tandem boxes.
Okay. Corner concept यही है ना कि उसका बाजू का
Corner I have just given. We have just given an open
Empty,
box
okay,
here.
okay.
If anyone wants to place their cylinders and all, they can use these kind of format.
Okay.
So they don't have to waste space here. So we'll be placing cylinder there, and again the connectivity can be run through
Okay.
behind the cabinet.
What is this scheme? No cost EMI?
So we have Bajaj Finance option also
Okay.
for the kitchens.
Okay.
So they can come up with that. Again, every month we'll have a different option. Like
Okay.
in the August month, we had a 000 scheme where there's no down payment, there's no cost EMI. So
Okay.
somewhere like again there won't be interest.
Okay.
So which is again a benefit for them. So we have Bajaj option also.
Okay.
Again, every month it varies. The offer will be varying.
और कुछ offers है like इतने
So
पे
right now Mano ya na Mano sale is going on where you get 50% discount on modular kitchen cabinets.
Oh, cabinets with 50% off is there.
50% off is there, and
Okay.
on hardware it is not there. On
Okay.
complete kitchen cabinets, 50% discount will be there.
Okay.
And
Okay.
every month the offer will be changing. Till this month, this is the offer. Mano ya na Mano sale.
ओके ठीक है. सी गाइस, अभी आप लोग को ये वीडियो देख के पता चल गया होगा कि इनकी फिनिशेस कितने अच्छे हैं. आई एम रियली वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड कि मुझे जब मेरा किचन इंटीरियर कराना था, आई डिडंट इवन नो दैट होम टाउन डज हैव सच काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज अवेलेबल. सो आप लोग अपना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मतलब आप लोग देखिए सो आप लोग को ये वीडियो देख के समझ में आ गया कि इनकी सर्विस और फिनिशेस कितने अच्छे हैं. लाइक वॉट एवर सर्विसेज ബരാബർ नहीं आ रहा അവരുടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ എടുക്കണം. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞു. ओके गाइस, आप लोग को ये वीडियो से समझ में आ गया कि क्या क्या सर्विसेज होम टाउन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। आई एम वेरी सैड कि मैं जब अपना किचन इंटीरियर करा रही थी मुझे ये सर्विसेज के बारे में नहीं पता था। आई होप एटलीस्ट आप में से किसी लोग को तो हेल्पफुल हो और जो मिस्टेक्स मैंने किए थे वो आपके इसमें ना हो। सो टू अवॉइड एनी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स प्लीज़ डू विजिट होम टाउन वंस एंड इनके मॉडुलर किचन का कलेक्शंस आप लोग ज़रूर चेक करना। सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, टिल देन डोंट वरी, बी हैप्पी।